नाव आयला तेलुगू इंडस्ट्री पासून आमच्या कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीक नाव वाटले ते सॉन्ग प्ले करना आसा. Yes, today's celebrity इल्लड सॉन्ग प्ले करता. सो सगळी कशी आसात, गंमत जावन आसा गी घरा. सो ऑलमोस्ट बरी कमेंट्स मेळ्ळी म्हाका, भारी खुशी जावन आसा. इवन फाल्यांचो येवच्या सेलिब्रिटीचे नाव तुमकां प्ले करता विकीच्याक. सो म्हाका सुमार फीडबॅक्स मेळ्ळे, खुशी जाली. अशेच फीडबॅक्स घालता रावा आनी तुमच्या आमकां येवच्या प्रोग्रामाक सहकार्य दिता राहा. सो आमकां इल्ले मुस्त प्रोत्साहन मेळटा आनी मुस्तले नेक्स्ट कोण तुमकां गेस्ट जाय तांचें नाव सांगा. सो आयचो येवचो गेस्ट आसा गोविंदा अंदू. आमच्या कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीन 2 फिल्मां केला ताणें मंगळूर येवन. सो गोंयांत ती बरी चल्लात, बरी नांव केला. सो हे सॉंग ताजें.
चेडो गोळे जाऊन आयला नाच दिस राती जावय तुझ्या खातीर ट्रम्पेट वाजयता पम पम पम. जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, तुझं जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर हो तुझं जावय.
ओके, सगळ्यांना नाव कळले असता. कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीत जावय नंबर 1 जाऊन आमच्या मध्ये 2 फिल्मां बरी दिलात. हाय प्रिया, हाय. आता विकीचर जॉईन जाऊन आसा 1 मिनिट आसा. विकीचर आमकां जॉईन जातलो आमचो सुपरस्टार बेंडकर आनी जावय नंबर 1 ह्या फिल्मांनी ताणें हिरोचे पार्ट केला. सगळ्यांनी सुमार जाणांनी फिल्म पळयला दिसता आनी बरे रेस्पॉन्ड मेळ्ळा फिल्माक. हाय स्टोल पेद्रू, हाय कसो आसाय. नमस्कार डेल्टन. सो सगळे बरे टायमार आयल्यात. आमचो जावय नंबर 1 विकीचार आमकां जॉईन जावंचार आसा. हॅलो. ओके, जावय नंबर 1 येवंचार आसा विकीचार. ऑनलाईन
बरी दिसताय की नाही सासू माय, तुमची सासू माय नाचंक ये ना तर शिकवंक जाय. एक पाय वैर करून पॅन्टाड हालय पोळे करून.
हाय ऑडवेल, हाऊ आर यू?
नाच दिस राती जावय तुझ्या खातीर ट्रम्पेट वाजयता पाम पाम. जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, तुझं जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, जावय नंबर 1, तुझं जावय नंबर 1.
हॅलो केविन, तुका वेलकम करता यू मी अँड सेलिब्रिटी ह्या प्रोग्रामाक. सो कसो
हाय
आसा?
गॉडविन, आसा बरो. तू कसो आसा?
या सुमार जाणां तुजे फॅन्स आसात आनी सुमार जाणांनी तुज्या विशयान नुस्तें विचारला. सो इवन आय वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट यू. तुवें कॅमेरा गुंडेला बरें आहले. सो सगळ्यांक तू स्ट्रेट दिसता जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी उंगटे जायचे आमच्या बरीत.
दिस वे. ओके,
या दिस वे.
ओके.
सो म्हाका प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करचे पयलीं तुज्या घरच्या विशयांत, तुज्या विशयांत इल्ले माहिती मेळटा की?
घरा माझी
Yeah.
फॅमिली आसा. माय मॉम, डॅड, माय सिस्टर, शी जस्ट गॉट मॅरीड. Okay, so nice. So this is a fantastic time. I mean, quarantine. We are with the family watching movies. So movies माझे रिलीज जाल्ले आहात. सो आम्ही आता साऊथ इंडियन फिल्म पळयतात. ओके, डिफरंट लँग्वेज फिल्म पळयतात फॅमिली वांगडा. एन्जॉय करता. या, विथ फॅमिली टाइम. केन्ना टाइम मेळना न्हू विथ फॅमिली. फर्स्ट टाइम फॅमिली टायमार वांगडा एन्जॉय करपाक टाइम मेळला. सो having nice time actually.
येस नायस केविन नायस तुका कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीक येवंक प्रोत्साह कसो म्हळ्यार वॉट यू मेड टू लायक आय हॅव टू बी एक्टर आय हॅव टू बी हिरो म्हळ्यार एक्टर आनी सपोज चिंतलें हांव हिरोच जातालो हांव एक्टर जातालो मंगळूर इंडस्ट्रीक येवन हांव एक बरे फिल्मां दितालो ऑर समथींग
अशें एक्चुअली ल्हानपणांतल्यान हांव फिल्मां पळयतालो ओके कशें एक्टिंग करता अमिताभ बच्चन अक्षय कुमार कशें एक्टिंग करता स्क्रिनाचेर पळोवंक बरी मजा येताली ओके गोविंदा बी सगळे लायक आनी ड्रीम आसलो अशें केन्ना एक रोल करपाक जाय म्हणून असो एक फ्युचरान आनी कॉलेज टायमार म्हाका एक चान्स पडलो फिल्मान काम करपाक जस्ट अ मिनिट ओके थिंगाच्यान स्टार्ट जालें फिल्माची आवड वाडली आनी करता करता म्हाका एक फिल्म मेळ्ळें आउट ऑफ गोवा फर्स्ट टाइम शूटिंग जावंय नंबर 1 थँक्स टू हॅरी फेर्नांदीस अँड प्रिन्स जेकब फॉर सजेस्टिंग मी आनी जावंय नंबर 1 जावन म्हाका बँडकार पिक्चरान चान्स पडलो आनी आय एम नोन नाव टू मंगलोर इंडस्ट्री पीपल अँड गोवा ऑल्सो so many people are
Yes.
there passionate soul
Yeah, so many
Studio,
people,
D'Souza. Thank you hi
तुझे फुल फॅन
watching
फॉलोवर
Navita
खूप जण असतात केविन एक प्रोग्राम कशें आसा म्हळ्यार 5:30 मिसर हांव तुजे कडेन क्वेश्चन विचारतलो 5:30
Okay.
उपरांत कोण पुराय जॉईन जाता ताणी तुजे कडेन क्वेश्चन विचारताली सो एव्हरीवन
Okay.
विल गेट ऑल फीडबॅक अबाउट युअर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ओके तुझे एक्सपिरियन्स कशें आहले तूं गोंयचो जावन मंगळूर येवन एक्टिंग करना मंगळूर इंडस्ट्री तुका कशें लागलें
बेस्ट एक्चुअली लायक गोवा ओली गोंयान कशें आसा तशेंच मंगलोर फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन आनी थँक्स टू हॅरी फेर्नांदीस फॉर गिविंग मी अ लवली रोल जावंय नंबर 1 अँड केन्ना पिक्चरान थिंगासर एक्टिंग केल्लें पळय जावंय नंबर 1 तेन्ना लायक तुमचे कोणे इंटरॅक्ट करून लायक तुमी जो आमकां लायक एक्टर्स जे आसा सगळे एक्टर्स जे जाणी जेंकडे एक्टिंग केला इट वॉज लायक अ फॅमिली ओके इट वॉज लायक वी आर शूटिंग इन गोवा ओली आनी ह्या फॅमिलीन म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें एक्टिंग करून आनी नेक्स्ट पिक्चरान म्हाका चान्स पडोंक अशें म्हाका लायक आय वॉन्टेड लायक नेक्स्ट पिक्चरान चान्स पडोंक जाय म्हणून असो त्याच इंडस्ट्रीन बँडकार पिक्चरान म्हाका चान्स पडलो सो आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी 2 फिल्मां म्हाका करूंक मेळ्ळे मंगलोर फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन हाय लविटा लोबो फॅब क्वीन हाय
सुमार जण असतात केविन आम्ही इल्लो मिळी आमकां आमचे अनेक जर सेलिब्रिटी लविटा लोबो ऍड जाला सो हाय लविटा
Okay.
मॅडम
Sure.
ओके इल्लो आमी क्वेश्चन आन्सर दिताले हांव ताचे पयलीं हांव तुजे एक सॉंग प्ले करता आय विल गेट सम इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट यू जावंय नंबर
Okay.
1 तो आमकां आनीक एक टायटल तुजे
बँडकार ओके
ताजे एक्सपिरियन्स विशीं उलयता हे सॉंग प्ले जावन दी
बँडकार आय नो येस करेक्ट the vehicle hello Alicia
Okay, Kevin.
Ria D'Souza.
This was the
Hello.
awesome movie. Everyone liked it. Really, it's a good movie. तुका I think second time to Mangalore येऊन act करचे. तुका Mangalore कशें लागले? Going down Mangalore.
Mangalore is like second Goa for me. ओके जे म्हाका गोंया दिसता तशेंच म्हाका मंगलोर दिसलें आनी मंगलोरान काम करपाक खूब बरें लायक the locations आनी जो लायक फिल्माचो स्टार्ट जावप ऑन टायम एंड एंड ऑन टायम एंड एवरीथिंग हॅपनिंग ऑन टायम आनी मेन म्हणटा ते कोरियोग्राफी डान्स पिक्चरान इतले प्रॉपर कोरियोग्राफी आहा इतले जावंक ना सो म्हाका ते करपाक मेळ्ळें म्हाका शिकपाक मेळ्ळें इवन जावंय नंबर 1 डान्स आसलो आनी बँडकार पिक्चरान डान्स आसलो सो आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी लायक इट लुक लायक अ बॉलिवूड फिल्म फॉर मी केन्ना काम केलें तेन्ना Okay, so
That's
that
a
was
great
something
thing, that's a
amazing.
great thing.
Yeah. And so it was
Okay,
a dream
so-
role for me. Yeah, Zawai number 1.
हांवें ऐकला की तुज्या विशयान तुवें मुस्तू अंतू सिरीज अंत वर्क केलाय मुस्तू फर्स्ट
Yes.
फिल्म तुझे आय थिंक फाइंडिंग फेनी आय थिंक हिंदी मूवी बॉलिवूड मूवी
Bollywood first आले the Ladies versus Ricky Bell with Anushka Sharma. I am playing the character called Bhola. सो विथ
ओके.
अनुष्का शर्मा माझो डायलॉग असा. आणि मागीर चष्मे बद्दुरान विथ तापसी पन्नू असा एक सीन. आणि मागीर फायंडींग फॅनी आसा हांव. आणि दम मारो दम फिल्मान असा with Rana Dugabatti, and also I'm there in Jo Bhi Karwalo with Soha Ali Khan and Arshad Warsi. And then I'm in web series with Kalki Kolchin, and also I'm in the web series Four More Shots. Okay, that also I'm there. And my upcoming upcoming is Ishq Mein Mar Jawa 2. I'm in that also playing a character role.
That's a great thing, Kevin. That's a great thing.
Yes.
आता इला क्वेश्चन
It's
स्टार्ट
nice.
तुका आन्सर करूंक काय असा उडा
Mhm.
सुरू. ओके. कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रींत आता राईट कोंकणी इंडस्ट्री ग्रो जावन आसा मात्र. सो एव्हरीवन इज फेसिंग दॅट म्हळ्यार इनकम प्रॉब्लम. व्हॉट युअर सजेशन? नवे एक्टर्सांनी ट्राय करी कोंकणी इंडस्ट्री या दे हॅव टू जम्प टू डायरेक्ट बॉलिवूड और कन्नड इंडस्ट्री और हिंदी इंडस्ट्री? व्हॉट्स युअर ओपिनियन?
Actually, income problem asat every field, like income problem is there. But what is there? You have to have a fixed job. Okay, this is like a hobby. Okay, first it is like a hobby. When the hobby becomes your profession, that is separate. But I'm taking it as a hobby. आणि हे hobby जे आसा म्हाका खूपशे नाव खूपशे फेम दिता. That is very important. Income किती आसा? My work should be appreciated. Once the work is appreciated, tomorrow income also will come. Okay, so I'm recommending people, like to keep this as a hobby. And if you love acting as a hobby, then tomorrow it can anytime become your profession. But keep a fixed job and then go for this. So I think you're also having a job, and then this you are doing as a hobby. So I think this is a hobby, and hobby is something which you like. It is not like you have to earn this much. If it is earning, then it is separate. But it's a hobby. And hobby असा म्हणून लोकांक तुका लायक जाता, तुका आवड जाता, आवड आसता हें करपाक. So take it as a hobby and enjoy it. The more you enjoy, then later on it can become a profession.
ओके. केविन, हांव तुका मेळ्ळो पेंडकर मुवीन हांव तुजो फोटोग्राफर जावन आसलो. So I have seen you. You're very down to earth, and we had a very great time over there. Okay, बेंडकर मूवीच्या एक सेट विषयी कांय सांगितली. हाऊ वॉज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स? सुमार जाण वाटतं तुवें गंमत करनासलो, एन्जॉय करनासलो. हाऊ वॉज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स?
Now experience is what now actually I got to know how it works. कशें चलता ते. Like in Zawai number 1 I was totally new. I mean, I don't know what is happening, what is going to happen, how the director, how the team is going to be. खबर नासलें म्हाका. But बेंडकार पिक्चरान म्हाका खबर आसा की हें कशें जाता, how it knows. I got the experience, I got the touch of Mangalore now. I know how it is. So main experience was in Zawai number 1, where I was totally like new over there. I didn't know what is going to happen. But right now I know how it is working, and I'm adjust जाल्लो आसा Mangalore film industry adjust जाल्लो आसा. आनी म्हाका खबर आसा कशें कितें जातलें, and how to do my homework, and how to be prepared on sets, and how it is going to work. I got to know it. That is very important. And thanks to Harry Fernandez to making it so nice and smooth for us Goan film artist.
या तुवें गोंयांत मस्त फिल्मां केल्यात. एक 2-3 फिल्मांचें नांव सांगितलें. पुरो फिल्म सुपर हिट जालात ऑलमोस्ट.
Yes, I want to thank my sir, Professor Prajal Sagadande. ताणें म्हाका सजेस्ट केल्लो पिक्चरान काम करपाक. Just a minute picture कॉलेजीक आसतना. So someone is saying just love this Goan accent, green chili 21. Thanks a lot. So yes, so सजेस्ट केलो, थिंगाच्यान म्हाका चान्स मेळलो. फुडें इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल जाले गोंयांत, आनी तिका म्हाजी पिक्चरां वचपाक लागली. सो जे पिक्चर म्हजे गेल्ले ते जावन आसा सोलकरी, ओ मारिया, ओके, MMS पिक्चरान काम केलें, खुबशे पिक्चरान काम करूंक लागलो. आनी तशेंच करून म्हाका एक हिंदी टीव्ही सिरियलान काम मेळ्ळें, CID मिशन गोवा विथ ACP प्रद्युमन. सो दॅट वॉज माय टर्निंग पॉयंट ऑफ माय लायफ. अँड जरी तर म्हाका हिंदी फिल्मान चान्स पडला, इट इज ओन्ली बिकॉज ऑफ कोंकणी मुवीज. So they have seen my Konkani movie, they have seen my work, and because of that I got a chance in Hindi. It is because of our regional language. So that is what it just began. I was the Mangalorean fish, Kevin, Carol D'Souza. Lovely. I was having Mangalorean fish.
He's not Carol D'Souza, he's a Kella. That guy
Kella,
from the
Kella,
production
yes,
department is a guy Kella. He's
Okay.
asking you the question.
I loved the fish. Every day I was having fish after the shoot. So next day I was getting energy, more energy to work, more energy to dance. Okay, green chili saying, wow, amazing. Yes, and the fish was amazing. Amazing fish.
तू गोंयचो जावन मंगळूर येवन मंगळूरची फिश अमेझिंग म्हणटा गोंया सेम फिश मेळटा.
सेम फिश होता बट थिंगासर ते एक कितें एक काम फूल डे काम करून थकोन येवन ते फिश खावप न्हू तेजो आनंद तेजो स्वाद डिफरंट आसता. सो यू लव इट एंड लायक एवरी डे वेटिंग द शूट केन्ना एंड जातलो आफ्टर 5 आफ्टर 7 o'clock शूट एंड जातलो हांव बसून थिंगासर फिश खातलो. दॅट वॉज समथींग अमेझिंग. येस मिनेझिस अल्विना हाय पेप क्वीन hello. Pep Queen is laughing. She's from Goa.
Okay, hi
Okay,
Pepsi.
I think
Okay,
she's my student, I guess. Yeah.
okay. Next project kale mini करचार आसा की कोंकणींत मंगळूरांत खंयचे म्हणे आसा की
नुस्तें. नेक्स्ट फिल्म हांव एक शॉर्ट फिल्म चिंता करपाक आतां क्वारंटीन टायम एंड आय एम सिटींग एट होम एंड आय एम रायटिंग डिस्कसिंग अ स्टोरी विथ माय टीम एंड डेफिनेटली एक न्यू फिल्म चिंतला आमी शॉर्ट फिल्म करपाक एंड द शॉर्ट फिल्म विल बी फॉर फेस्टिवल. सो तेजेरूच काम चलता. एक पाटी everything ends, then we will get on to work. Right now it is just a initial stage, initial process, and also I'm planning to do a new music video as well, so that will happen later when
even I
everything.
saw you many swag wala music videos.
Music
It
videos,
was
yes.
very good.
Thank you, thank you,
Gultin
thank you.
now song, so I can again watch it in YouTube, not me but the viewer.
Yes, it is Andhero Ke Khwab, okay, and done by David Furtado, and also one more dancing video, Divana Dil, same directed and choreographed by David Furtado. So I'm going for dance classes, and he did dance video for me, man. 2 videos he did back to back. So he said,
Nice,
Goan
nice.
actor, kaso नाचतलो Goan actor, ते पळोवया म्हणून. Let's see how Goan actor dance. We can only act, we'll make him dance. So he made me dance. Sir,
I'm
you are a
just
great
reading a
singer.
comment. I have a comment वाचतलो. You are a great singer. Can you sing
Arey
2 lines
Baba.
for me?
What to sing now? Zawai number 1, I have what?
Okay, ये चिडवा,
Okay.
ये चिडवा. चिडवा.
क्या तुंग चली फुला डाली कितले सोबीत कितले सुंदर तुगो हसताना तुझे वोट फुलताना अरे वारे दलताना शेम अरे चेडवा कित्याक अशें लसता अंग तुझे आपुट्टाना बोट मजे शिस्ता चेड्या कित्याक असो लसता शिस्त तुझी संवर्धना श्वास मुजो लासता. Okay, something like that. Okay,
Yes.
good. God is a good choreographer. Yes, you are a good choreographer. You have to choreograph me someday, okay?
Definitely, but वेंटकरांत तुवें ओडोटले आर्टिस्ट केलाय काम. I think
Pappu Khanna.
Bappu
Oh
Khanna,
my
yeah.
God. Pappu Khanna is a Bollywood choreographer, and पहिले पाटी I was scared, man. अरे I'm going like dancing, going for dance class, and Pappu Khanna. But तेणें आमकां खूब कम्फर्टेबल केलो आनी थिंगासोर जे आमकां कोरियोग्राफी केली ऑन द स्पॉट that day choreography and that day performance amazing, and it just happened. It's a magic and just happened. Minejis Alvina is saying beautiful. Thank you Alvina.
Flavy is
Thanks.
telling wow
Thanks, wow,
singing.
singing. I just
Okay.
sang on the spot. I was not prepared for it. Thanks. Yeah.
But Wilson Cut is not online while Kevin singing the. Okay. केल्ला हांव
Good,
तुज्या कडेन
Wilson
उलयता
Cut.
आसता. जस्ट अ मिनिट आमकां 5:30 मिसर टाइम आसा. आमी मुस्तू क्वेश्चन विचारूंक आसा केविना कडेन. 7 o'clock मिसर हांवें केविना कडेन टाइम विचारला. विल स्पेंड गुड टाइम विथ हिम. बरी सॉंग्स प्ले करता केविनाची. मस्त आसात. लाइन टू लाइन आसा. सिंग अगेन रिटेक काही. ओके केविन तू सिंग कर ना काही. हांव तुजे ट्रॅक प्ले करता. काल ताजो म्युझिक डायरेक्टर मुझे सांगाता आसलो पॅटसन पिरेरा. ओके
Okay.
ताजी मम्मीन आनी डॅडीन सिंग केल्ले सॉंग हे.
तुंगो चली फुला डाली कितले सोबी कितले सुंदर तुंगो हसता
You can do TikTok, Kevin. You can do acting somewhat.
Okay. I got it.
दूर चलो मगर करो कितना नाचो कितना मधुर गाय ताना सकेगी तो वाटरा ओले नाचता
Oh, like that. Sing again. चेडवा कित्याक अशें लसता अंग तुझे आपुट्टाना बोट मजे
Okay, thank you, Kevin.
Okay.
It was a great time. It was a great time.
Thank you.
Oh,
Sing again, retake, Miss Jesus. Hi. Wow, amazing. Green chili. Okay, who is this green chili?
ग्रीन चिली इज फ्रॉम मँगलोर.
Okay, hi.
डेली
Hi.
व्ह्यूअर्स आणि सुमार फंक्शन डेली एक एक
Okay.
नवीन नवीन सेलिब्रिटीज येतात आणि आमच्या टूलोंक. सो आम्ही सगळ्यांकडे त्यांचे पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्स. ओके केविन हांव मुखार
Thank you.
येवच्या
Thank you for
आणि
watching. Yeah. Hmm.
या मुखार आणि 7 मिनिट्स आसा मागीर हांव तांचे क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यू करता. वॉट
Mhm.
तुझे बॅड एक्सपिरियन्स काय म्हणले की कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीत येदोळ सर?
Bad experience. Actually, bad experience kind of all good experience asa, and whatever bad experience समज झालो, जाल्यार it is like I think over it and I learn. I should not do the mistake again. Bad experience येताच. Everybody is getting bad experiences. Suddenly, you're not perfect. Like suddenly, in the on the set, director shouts at you. But it is my mistake. I have done something wrong. Maybe my character, something in the role acting, I was not giving my 100%. So I want to thank whoever, if on the set they've shouted for good purpose so that I improve. Okay, so improve झालो आणि दिसता ते माझ्या performancean. And when I see myself on the screen, I want to thank my director. Oh, thank you. For some scene, you shouted at me, okay, and I improved on it. That was the learning experience. Oh, there is nothing as bad experience. It is a learning experience. Good
ओके
expression, Miss Footballer. Thank you.
ऍक्टिंग करताना मस्त एक्सपिरियन्स मेळता. तू एक सीन फुल चिखलान पडून उठून आयलो. हाऊ वॉज इट?
Actually, it's fun actually. मजा येता आ चिखलान पडपाक कशें आसतलें you think how it's the experience. So let's go and jump in it. So it's okay. Even I make mistakes. Okay. So yes, Jesus Christ. Yes. So what I am saying that एक एक्सपिरियन्स चिखलान उडकी मारपाचो जो आसता ना आय वॉन्टेड टू एक्सपिरियन्स इट. एज एन एक्टर यू वॉन्ट टू एक्सपिरियन्स डिफरंट थिंग्स एंड तो एक्सपिरियन्स केलो हांवें एंड इट्स फन. पीपल लाफ, पीपल आफ्टरवर्ड सेड शी इवन वर्षा मॅम वॉज टेलिंग मी कितें केलें ते रियल चिखलान तूं उडकी मारलो, वॉट इज दिस. बट एक्चुअली फ्रॉम इनसायड आय वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी. बरें मजा येयली म्हाका हे चिखलान इवन उडी मारपाचो एक्सपिरियन्स जो आसलो. Great it was. Okay, someone is saying great advice, sir. Fab Queen, she's my student. I'm a theater art teacher, by the way, and my student is saying great advice, sir. Thank you. So that was it. That was the experience. I loved it. It was not like zabardasti. It was not like zabardasti फेंक दिया कीचड़ में. It was great experience, and I loved. I enjoyed it actually.
ओके केविन तुवें मस्त आर्टिस्ट टू वर्क केला. इवन बेंडकर आणि ती बॉलिवूड स्टार जाल्ले. वर्षा
Varsha
मॅडम
ma'am.
आसली. या
Yes.
तिजे एक्टिंग करून हाऊ इज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स?
How was my experience? Okay, before that, someone in Jesus Christ is saying acting something professional. Okay, Varsha ma'am, to act with her, it's a dream come true. I'm blessed actually. I'm खूप blessed asa that I acted with Bollywood actors like Jackie Shroff in Solkari, and Shivaji Satam, Anushka Sharma in Lady of the Ricky Bell, and now with Varsha Uzgaonkar. When I acted with her, केन्ना तेज्या वांगडा फर्स्ट टाइम एक्टिंग करतलो न्हू, I have to do my homework. Because they are Bollywood celebrities, they have acted with so many actors like Ashok Shroff, Lakshmikant Berde. So I have to do my homework because I am going to act with her tomorrow. So one day before, to one week before, I prepare myself and go so that at least dialogue maka yaad asung, the expressions tinga वगडातले. And Varsha ma'am, when I acted with her, she helped me in the dialogues. एक rehearsal जाताली and the rehearsal in maka एक gist कळले. I got to know की ते अशें acting करता. आणि ह्या एक्टिंगान म्हाका खूब कम्फर्ट मेवलो. एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन जे तेकडे शिकपाक मेवले, जे जाले आमची केमिस्ट्री जुळली इन जावंय नंबर 1. इट वॉज समथिंग अमेझिंग. आय लव्ड इट एंड आय वॉन्ट टू एक्ट विथ हर अगेन because she does a rehearsal before the shoot and she perfects it so that on camera it looks good. And amche chemistry, Varsha ma'am and me, I was very happy to work with Varsha ma'am. And after that, the promotion which she helped us to do in Goa, it was amazing to work with her. And I felt acting with her, I also reached somewhere in the Bollywood level acting with Varsha ma'am. That was something amazing.
इवन हांव तिका एक्टिंग करताना पळयतालो. हांव फोटोग्राफर तुजे सेटर फोटोग्राफर इन ड्रोन ऑपरेटिंग करनालो. त्या टायमार ती इवन ईच टेका पयले. आता सॅड सीन जाल्यार ती सॅड म्युझिक आयकताली. बरेच म्हळ्यार हस्कुरे सीन जाल्यार फनी सॉंग्स आयकताली. आय थिंक यू ऑब्झर्वड हर डुईंग सच थिंग्स.
येस, दॅट इज समथिंग आय एम लर्निंग. हांव शिकता हेंचे वांगडा काम करून जे कितें शिकता न्हू, इट वॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट की जे ते करता बिफोर दिस थिंग वॉट एवर शी डज. ओके, इट इज अ ट्रीट टू लर्न. म्हाका घेवन लायक शी जस्ट कॉल्स मी, कम हियर, एक रिहर्सल करया. सो एक रिहर्सल करता, अशें अशें तूं घे, अशें अशें हांव करता, अशें करून पळोवया, अशें करून पळोवया, एंड अशें करून पळोवया. लायक एक रिहर्सल चलता एंड देन शी गोज फॉर टेक. डायरेक्ट टेक जाल्यार you don't know like how she's going to react or how am I going to react, but so reaction time je rehearsal karta, you know this is going to happen and something comes up spontaneously on the take. But why it happens? Because you have done a good rehearsal and something comes up spontaneously on the take. It is because of the rehearsals and the chemistry which we got during these two films. That is something amazing. So thanks
आम्ही
to
जाल्ले
Harry
ते
sir
कोंकणी
for making
तुले
Varsha act with.
केविन दिस इज कोंकणी शो, सो वील आम्ही कोंकणी तुले हांव तुजे हांव इंग्लिश उलयता, तूं म्हजे इंग्लिश उलयता, लिटल बिट कन्फ्युजन.
Okay, yeah,
म्हळ्यार
we talk in Konkani, no problem, any language.
या म्हळ्यार आमकां मँगलोर तावन आमी गोंया फिल्म मारतना आमकां कन्फ्युजन जाता. गोंयची मँगलोरियन मुवीज मस्त उणे पळयतात. दे हॅव अ कन्फ्युजन अबाउट द लँग्वेज.
Alan,
वॉट यू
hi.
सजेस्ट टू इम्प्रुवमेंट? वॉट इज युअर सजेशन फॉर इम्प्रुवमेंट?
Improvement of
Mangalore,
Mangalorean language. I
yeah,
mean,
Mangalore.
Mangalorean language is best, good language, yeah. And I want to thank Harry sir for making this movie. हे पिक्चर जे आसा दोन लँग्वेजान डब केला. ओके, इन तुळू पोया means get lost, by the way. Okay, so it is language is dangerous sometimes. Okay, something you say here and it means something else somewhere else. So in between English उलयता ह्या खातीर. Okay, so हांव कितें म्हणूंक सोदता is that there is no improvement in, I mean the language is lovely. Okay, Mangalorean language जो आसा खूब बरो लँग्वेज आसा. आनी हांव हें म्हणूंक सोदता की दोन लँग्वेजीन डब करप is a good idea, fantastic idea by Harry Fernandez, director. Mangalore language for Mangalore audience, so and for Goan audience. So like this something someone suggested, poya means get lost, and here poya means to see. So someone said poya means get lost in Tulu. So there should not be any language bar. Both the audience got to watch movies. That is something amazing. That is something important. So
Okay,
share Almeida. Hi. Yes.
two movies, Mangalore and Goan केल्या movies सांत. You know something we are lacking behind. म्हळ्यार एक बॉलिवूडाचे आमकां क्वालिटी मेळटले ना, या something you feel that?
Actually, about quality and all, I don't know about quality. What is quality and all? That is technical side. I know about performance. एक Bollywood type दिवप. Okay, एक song asa, there should be choreographer. And thanks to Harry sir, there was a choreographer, Pappu Khanna, Bollywood choreographer, who did choreography for Shah Rukh Khan in Guddu, and Damini, Rishi Kapoor, and Meenakshi Sheshadri. So, and actor like Varsha Usgaonkar, Prince Jacob. Okay, when these quality actors are acting with you, that is important. Quality today it is not there, tomorrow it will come. Not a big problem, but we have got one step ahead. We have reached there. We have reached that level. And फाल्या हे जातलेच. Okay, because quality of actors are acting in the film. It is not like and a film actors acting in film, not a normal actors acting. Film actors are acting. Quality already acting itun illo asa. If you see the movie, in acting there is quality. Now to improve on other things, it will happen in other films coming, and one by one film everything is improving. पहिली पिक्चर हांव तुका एक सांग, पहिली पिक्चर येयन आसली in Goa last year. There were 9 Konkani films. First time 9 Konkani films, and this year also, like now it is a gap, but still this year also there would have been 12 Konkani films. So the number of Konkani films are improving. I don't know quality and all, it will definitely improve, but number is increasing. That is important.
या कोंकणी इंडस्ट्री मँगलोरान जाता, तो मँगलोरान गोंयांक कॉपी करून गोंयांत डब करून तुमकां प्ले करता गोंयांची. बट गोंयची मूवी तुम्ही मँगलोर डब करून काय प्ले करनात. आय गॉट लास्ट मूवी वॉज प्लॅनिंग देवाचे, ते मात मूवी मँगलोर आयिल्ले.
Okay, Planning Devache was by different team, but definitely it's a good suggestion, and definitely why not in Mangalore community? We can even dub it in Marathi language also. There is also industry over there, and why not Marathi? We can even dub in Hindi. If Bahubali can be in Hindi, why not other movies in Hindi? So it is a good question. I think why Mangalore only? We can even dub it in Hindi. and subtitles also English in asa. So world can understand. If the subtitles are in English, world can understand. And festival, even a French film we can watch with subtitles down. So there is nothing like that. Subtitles are also there.
या सबटायटल्स आसा दॅट वॉज द क्वेश्चन क्योंकि आमकां आतां इवन कोंकणी उलयतली मनशात कोंकणीक सपोर्ट उणें करता सो वी गेट दॅट सपोर्ट डेफिनेटली वी कॅन डब इन अदर लँग्वेजेस अँड वी
Yes,
कॅन डू बेटर
absolutely.
अँड बेटर मूवी.
And also, Varsha ma'am is from Marathi industry. Even if the movie dubs in Marathi, also it is really good. Okay, Green Chili is saying, yeah, true. Thank you, Green Chili.
ओके
Thanks.
हांव तुजें
Problem
एक
with
सॉंग
Konkani
प्ले
film is
करतलो.
they call them super hit before it release.
कोंकणी
Okay.
फिल्म दे कॉल देम सुपर हिट इवन बिफोर रिलीज.
Yes. So thanks, and you have to make it super hit, sir. Definitely
No,
come and.
he's questioning it on us. That problem with the Konkani movie, release
Hmm.
जावचे पहिले तो super hit म्हणून सांगून भोंवतात. So they are not waiting for the result.
Hmm.
What about
Okay.
what is the suggestion from your side?
सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमची कोंकणी पिक्चरां जी आसा ते वर्साक एक पिक्चर जाता. ओके, वेन द टाइम विल कम वेन दे विल बी 10 कोंकणी फिल्म्स एंड दे विल बी फायटींग फॉर कॉम्पिटिशन जातले पळय. कॉम्पिटिशन ना हिंगासर, कॉम्पिटिशन जायना. जेन्ना कॉम्पिटिशन जातले पळय 10 कोंकणी फिल्म्स टुगेदर, दॅट टाइम दे विल फायट. Okay, to fight it for release date, everything, and that time it will be fun. That time we can call it an industry will happen. So definitely it is happening. So tomorrow a time will come when actually people are going to see the movie and people are going to like the movie, and because the number is less. There is only one film happening a year. So Bandkar, it is still going on. Okay, when the time will come, every month one Konkani film. That time we can say, like, okay, that time, because here we have only one film, and that film only we have to say it is a super hit, because that film people are waiting for that one film for the full year. Okay, and Goan je response mein hota from old people watch and people cried for the film after watching the film Bandkar. And the director also is good, Harry Fernandez. He writes the movie looking at the audience पळोवन ऑडियन्साचो कॉन्सेप्ट कसो आसा, how the people are going to like the movie. He watches them and he writes the script, and people love it because the movie is touching their heart. Okay, so if the movie is touching their heart, then definitely it is a film which is super hit, we can say, because the movie should touch your heart. If it doesn't touch your heart, then we cannot call it a movie, like, a super hit movie. So if it should touch your audience heart, that is important.
ओके केविन, तुवें आमच्या सुपर हिट हिरोईन रंजिता लुईस वांगडा काम केलें. शी विल बी अवर नेक्स्ट गेस्ट. ताजे विशयान त्या एक्सपिरियन्स विशयान
Oh yes, actually, केन्ना म्हाका पिक्चरान जावई नंबर 1 फिल्मान चान्स पडलेलो पळय. I did a homework, like, who am I going to act? I just asked, and director Harry Fernandez said Ranjita Lewis is going to play her sister. Oh, I said. So I just went and saw her songs and this, and oh my God, this is the girl who is going to work with me. So I did some homework, and then when I was there and I understood ते अशें उलयता, आनी एक रिहर्सल जालो आमचे भितर, आनी then I got to know that she's a very good actress. She has a very good facial expression, and very good timing, and the role which she played of a sister, people cried in theaters watching in Goa. Like, people associated herself with her. She played the character for real. Like, and people loved her role. In Mangalore also, I've seen people appreciated her, and Goa also people loved her performance. So that is what she is, and it was a good choice by Harry Fernandez, and she has acted before, and she's a very good dancer also, I think. No, yeah, she dances also as well, and expression little bit what she gave in the Zawai number 1 with this thing is, she is very, I mean, कितें म्हणून येता एक different style, बरी style आसा तेका, and she has a very good I mean screen presence. That is very important. So Kella says thumbs up. Yes,
thumbs up.
absolutely, yes.
सो
Perfect.
केविन, आम्ही 2 क्वेश्चन मागीर विचारता. ताजे पयलीं हांव ऑडियन्साक एक चान्स दिता. ताजे मदीं हांव तुका एक सॉंग प्ले करता तुजे. सो आय विल गिव यू 2 मिनिट्स रेस्ट. आमकां इल्ले ताळ्याक रेस्ट जायचे. सो 2
Okay,
मिनिटां
sure.
केविनाचे केल्ले सॉंगाचे तुमी एक प्रिव्यू सॉंग ऐकया. सो इतले भितर क्वेश्चन रेडी करा. इंडस्ट्रीक येवचे कशें, इंडस्ट्रीक येवन एक्सपिरियन्स कशे जाले, मस्त क्वेश्चन आसात. कोणाक इंडस्ट्रीक येवंक मन आसा, वॉट काय पुरो क्वेश्चन केविन डायरेक्टली लाईव्ह आसा तुमच्याकडे उलोवंक तुम्ही उस्तू फिल्मांनी व्हडले व्हडले थिएटरान पळयला सिल्वर स्क्रीन केविन ऍक्ट करचे सो नेक्स्ट केविन फिल्माक येता तुमी सांगेल ओके ताचे
Then
डायरेक्ट
what?
क्वेश्चन विचारला सो
Good
आय
luck.
कॅन कम इन टू कोंकणी इंडस्ट्री सो तुम्ही क्वेश्चन रेडी
Correct.
करा हांव एक सॉंग प्ले करता
Hi. Sure. As it is. Weird. There, Almeida.
This was an awesome song by Pappu Khan. Sorry, Pappu Khanna for the choreography, right?
Good. Arey, amazing. Location also was very nice. I mean, that full resort was booked and superb it was. किती म्हणताला इट्स अ ड्रीम सॉन्ग लुक्स लाईक अ ड्रीम आय मीन
Yeah, in song yours तुमच्या मध्ये तुमचे हिरोईन आले नायसा विथ
Yes.
हे आले कोण आमचो दीपक पलडकर आलो सो एक्सपिरियन्स कशें जाले आमच्या गांवचे ऍक्टर दीपक पलडकर वाटतो
Yes, and Kela is messaging how was the experience working Prince Jacob sir in Bandkar film. He was the elder brother in the film. Arey, Prince Jacob sir, I mean, I have acted with him now in almost 4 films. 4 films, and it was. आणि एक कितें सांग प्रिन्स सराच्या भाशेन वेन आय वॉज इन कॉलेज त्याने म्हाका अप्रोच केलो एक फिल्म पाद्री म्हणून तेन्ना म्हाजी एक्झाम आसली and I said I cannot make it because of my exam and I was totally disappointed like I left a film of Prince Jacob and म्हाका परतून opportunity मेळची ना म्हणून I was so disappointed but later on when I acted with him in the film MMS I was very scared to act with him because he was a very professional actor and I went as I said हांव सदांच प्रिपेअर करता म्हाका तेज्या वांगडा काम करपाक प्रिपेअर केलें आनी तेज्या वांगडा एक्टिंग केलें and I was very happy but when I acted with him in Zawai number 1 it was a comedy film and I have to match his timing. To match his timing was very difficult but he did a rehearsal with me, he gave me a helping hand and he suggested me also in the movie. So तेज्या वांगडा जेन्ना Zawai number 1 and काम केलें that was the most difficult experience because he's a number 1 in comedy and to match his timing is really difficult and it happened. But in Bandkar now I was actually comfortable to work with him because after working in 4 films you get a comfort level working with the person you're acting and I was very comfortable and again he is a very nice person. He helped me again and the dialogues in the rehearsal how to say it in Konkani also because it was in Mangalore Konkani and Goan Konkani as well, so he helped me to say like it is very helping and he was just like my elder brother in the film, so that is what he
पाद्री विषय म्हणताना इज अ फर्स्ट मूवी कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रींत एक टक टक कन गेल्ले मूवी इज अ व्हेरी बरी मूवी कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीक नशिबाचो खेळा पहिले पाद्री येवन बरे नाव कन गेला सो एक कॉमेडी सॉंग असं सगळ्यांक उडास आसता पाद्री मुवीतून सो एक पद घालता हांव तुज्या खातीर सगळ्यांचे क्वेश्चन रेडी जाता आमच्या 2-3 क्वेश्चन येवन दितके बीन त्याच्या भितर हांव तुका पाद्री सॉंगाचे कॉमेडी मूवी सॉंग प्ले करता
ओके शुअर ये चालूच पळयतालो दीपक पलाडकर is actually impossible to is it
चालू उलोय रे आलू
Alu,
आयकोता चालू
Salu, yes. Ah, oíste.
उलोय रे
Lo
चालू
resalu,
आयकोता आलू
alu,
पॅन्टात आमच्या
Santu,
कितली पळसां पळसां भितर कितली पळसां पळसां
Barsan,
जायते आसा पूण पयशे ना
Poise,
पळसांत पयशे ना पयशे
Poise, Poise, Poise,
ना
Nakari,
रिक्षे ना कुटरी ना मांद्री ना मांद्री पयशे
Oh, clang, clang, Poise. Ah, dancing. London Yard
लॉटरी
High
पडली
from
ती
Goa.
सावकार जातो
Hey.
आलू दुकानो करतो
Delhi, Delhi High.
असल्यार आम्ही एक दीस मोटर घेतलो
Hey.
तुका ड्रायव्हर करून गांवार भोंवतलो लॉटरी फुटल्यार एक दीस हांव सावकार जातो बांदून आलू दुकानो करतो नशीब असल्यार हांव एक दीस मोटर घेतलो
Lodi Silva High. Hello, bye.
गांवार भोंवतलो पयशे पयशे
Poise, Sar Poise, Lo Nakari, Sen Poise. So clang, clang,
डेफिनेटली
Poise.
आता मी पुरा घरा बसला होता पैसे मुस्तू घर जसा सगळ्यांक की सो फुल ब्लँक झाला ऑलमोस्ट सो वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ ग्रेट टाइम ओके प्रिन्स जॅकॉब तुका केविन सगळ्यांचे क्वेश्चन येऊनचे पहिले
How are you doing? I'm doing good.
या एव्हरीवन तुका
Enjoying.
ह्या फिल्माक म्हळ्यार कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीक इंट्रोड्यूस डायरेक्टर सरान केल्ले पळय बट हाऊ कनेक्शन कशें तुमकां
कनेक्शन ऍक्च्युली कितें म्हणटा जे ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज म्हाका मेळताले कोंकणी पिक्चरान ते हांव करीत गेलो आनी जेन्ना तूं बरें काम करता न्हू लोक पळयता लोक थिएटरान पिक्चर पळयता आनी चिंता सो प्रिन्स जेकबानूय म्हाका तसोच पळयल्लो आनी देन ही फावंड आउट लायक हाव आय एम म्हाजे बिहेवियर कसो आसा भितर इन हाव इज माय बिहेवियर विथ द टीम सो ही फावंड आउट दॅट आय वॉज व्हेरी गुड So after seeing that, he suggested me because that is also important. कि थिंगासोर येता हांव so my like you know my even my behavior should also be good. I should be good. So that is what was very important. आणि थिंगासोरूच हांव like you know people appreciated my behavior also. So looking for that also I got another opportunity. So actually it is not like you have to be a very good actor. You should also be a good human being. सो हे व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आनी वेन यू आर अ गुड ह्युमन बींग तेन्नाच तुका आनीक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा आनीक तुका हें मेळटा सो केन्ना केन्ना अशें आसता न्हू की इफ यू आर ऑल्सो नॉट अ गुड एक्टर बट यू आर अ गुड ह्युमन बींग यू आर रेडी टू लर्न ऑल्सो दॅट ऑल्सो काउंट्स सो वेन आय वॉज अ गुड एक्टर आय also should be a good like you know my behavior also should be good. I kept a note of this and I kept on like you know going ahead. So all my films I did, I kept this consistency. I never let the ego come on me. I mean consistency dolli and te खातीर हांव अजुनी करता अजुनी still I am doing it. Not like you know I am still doing movies. Yeah. So Flavi said true. Thank you Flavi.
ओके एक इंडस्ट्री गायला पण तुझे एक मेमोरेबल टाइम खंयचे केविन मेमोरेबल दीस दिस इज युअर बेस्ट टाइम अँड म्हळ्यार इंडस्ट्री गायल्याक एक बरो दीस तुजो
अरे सो ऍक्च्युली न्हू कितें सांगू तुका हांव वेन आय वॉज इंटरव्यूड इन रेडिओ 92.7 बिग FM इंटरव्यू जालो तेन्ना म्हाका विचारलें अरे केविन यू आर हॅव्हिंग 4-5 songs in the movie. Okay, 5 songs in the movie. You are very good human being. Thank you, Fab. So when the 92.7 the person Uday said, RJ Uday said, you are having 5 songs in the movie. That was a very good time because everybody likes songs. सगळ्यांक songs like जाता आणि तुजेर 5 songs asop in a movie, 5 or 4 songs asop. It's a great thing. It's a great moment actually, because songs तू आता गार्डियन सुद्धा सॉन्ग प्ले करता पळय, यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग अ डायलॉग फ्रॉम द फिल्म, यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग एनीथिंग, यू आर प्लेइंग द सॉन्ग इन द फिल्म. तुजेर सॉन्ग आसा इट्स अ मेमोरेबल टाइम. सो वेन एवर आय एम गेटिंग अ मूवी आय एम जस्ट आस्किंग डायरेक्टर क्वेश्चन, सॉन्ग आसा पिक्चरान, or it is just even in short film which I'm going to do next, I've made sure that there is a song in the short film also. So song is a memorable thing everybody likes, and people even hear the song in the car. They don't hear dialogues in the car, they hear song in the car. So song, everybody loves it, and whenever I get any opportunity I just ask whether there is a song. एक song जो असता नो, people love music and people appreciate it. So that is what the thing is. So Socia Pinto said hi. That is what is important for me. I mean, my experience, like, you know, lovely experiences are the songs. Light, एक break, एक good feel लेता. Even your
nice,
song
Kevin.
is nice, which you also did with Arman Malik, right? So whenever I hear these songs, it gives good feeling, a good feel आता. That is what is important. So
Okay, झाडामध्ये रामा नाका go. You're getting nice views.
Queenie, best actor. Yeah. Oh, okay. While Chedwa song shooting was going on, your heroine fell down on the sets. How was the experience? I mean, funny moment. Yeah. Correct.
This was I have to ask. आमचं चढो ड्रोन ऑपरेट करताना तो फुल कन्फ्युज झाला,
Okay,
हिरोईन
okay.
कशी पडल्या म्हणून.
Actually, no, that dance करता तो एक that thing was there, no, lane was there. It was very thin. I mean, like, you know, you had to
गाद्यामध्ये.
yeah. And I think he was dancing with high heels, if I was not mistaken. That to dance with high heels on that mud is very difficult. Okay, but she still accepted the challenge and she danced. And suddenly, on the middle of the song, she slipped and she fell on the grass. I kept on dancing. I didn't know. I didn't know what was happening. And then I realized, oh God, she fell down. And then we just ran and we gave her hand and said, oh my God. And there was a retake. And she was so sporty she was. Then she took it as a laughter and she continued with it. She didn't take it as an embarrassment. Then I would like, okay, like, you know, retake. We'll do it again. So next take she was good. So हे जाता है,
Yeah.
mistakes and mistakes जाता. Hello, nice to see you, Melvita. Hi.
ಓಕೆ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ವೆತ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಹೀರೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀನಾರ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಪಡೆ ತರ ಚೆಕಲ್ ಪಡ್ಲಾ ಗಾದರ್.
I tell you something, dance we astana, I just go in my way. There's a lovely moment for me in the movie, relaxation, because full movie is a serious note, a serious topic, and we have to be serious whenever we're acting. And एक song एक में होता है, like just went out your emotion. I think so, like, you know, I just didn't realize that the heroine just fell down. So I गेलो think so रात दिलो and would like, okay, you're all right. He said, I'm all right. Let's do a retake. So okay, fine. We did a retake.
Definitely, as Kellogg saying me, cameraman and drone people were searching. Where is the heroine? Heroine got the picture.
I saw the shot. She was not to be seen there. She suddenly she was, like, you know, on the grass. She just fell on, and she fell on the grass. She didn't fell somewhere. She just fell lightly on the grass. Okay, and she was very happy. She was laughing, and I just fell on the grass itself. So it was nice, good moment. Like, you know, enjoy. Like, you know, it was fun. It's nothing like we were dancing on the mountain or something. It would be very dangerous. So I'm happy that it was just a grass.
We'll have another session तुमच्या वाटतो. आता आमका 6 o'clock का ब्रेक.
Okay.
Yeah, मी ते वाचले ऑलरेडी केला दिले.
Mhm.
ओके
Yes.
आम्ही आता नेक्स्ट
Okay,
सेशन
I
स्टार्ट
see
करता
that
6
one.
5
Even I have it.
केविन 6 5 आम्ही परतून सेशन स्टार्ट करता सो प्रोग्राम चॅप्टर 2 हे चॅप्टर 1 जाऊन असं. आता आम्ही एक तुझे ट्रेलर प्ले करता ताजे उपरांत सगळे अगेन जॉईन जाया 6 5 आम्ही तुका रिजॉईन करता. ताजे पहिले आमचे येऊनचे आर्टिस्टांचे उडा इंट्रोडक्शन दिता फाल्यां येऊनचे आर्टिस्टांचे परवा येऊनचे आर्टिस्टांचे. सो तितले मी सर हांव एक डायलॉग प्ले करता. तुम्ही डायलॉग प्ले करणे डेफिनेटली डायलॉग प्ले करता.
अरे वाह. Okay.
आताच्या भुरग्यांक
Thanks,
ट्रम्पेट
Amita.
हातान
Hi.
धरतलोच दिसता. तांकां डीजे म्युझिक जाय डीजे. तांकां ब्रास बँड नाका.
हिरा पिंटू हाय हिरा पिंटू actress.
एका बँडकाराच्या भावा लागी ताची फॅमिली ताची सोयरी करूंक तयार जायत बरें जाल्यार तुका सोजमोलें बँडकारांची या समाजान कितें व्हॅल्यू आसा कितें प्रॉब्लेम तुज्या इंस्ट्रुमेंटान तूं हेनका आमी ओके आउटगोईंग
Outgoing
प्रॉब्लेम
problem.
सांजे भितर तेको काजर जाय
Outgoing.
रातीक हानिमुनाक टायलट वचो तुगे हे जोड प्लॅन आहा होच लिंबू पावपाना पडोस जाय पडटलो
हिरा पिंटू hope you're doing well. Yes, हिरा
बँडकाराचो
पिंटू.
भाव
I've seen your
देवाच्या
movie too.
घरा सैतान जल्मलो
म्हाका त्या पोरकीने लागीं आसा सांग म्हाका कया भुरग्याचे सगळे डिटेल्स जाय
Okay, this is some tag dialogue of Bandkar.
Yes.
सो हांव तुका विकीच्याक मेळटलो आमी 6-5 रिजॉइन जाया केविन सो ताचे पयलीं हांव
Sure,
दुसऱ्या
sure.
आर्टिस्टांक आनी आमच्या फाल्यां येवच्या आर्टिस्टाचे इल्ले वळख करून दिता लोकांक जायत गी सो केविन तूं इल्ले टी ब्रेक घे सो 6-5 हांव
Sure.
रिजॉइन करतलो तेन्ना
6-5,
आमी
okay.
फाल्यां येवच्या आर्टिस्टाचे म्युझिक हांव प्ले करता थँक्यू
Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll join. All the best.
Yeah,
That too.
6-5 जॉइन जाया 6-5
6 okay, sure. Done. Yeah. So I have to close down like this?
या वेलकम
Okay, sure. Okay.
ओके फाल्यां येवच्या आर्टिस्टाचें नांव तुमी सांगा फाल्यां हांव तुमचे मदीं आसतलो इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट ह्याच पदाचो सिंगर तुमच्या मध्ये आसतलो फाल्यां
सोबाय तुझी पण उडाक तांबूला तर मोडाच्या भाषे कथा बना तुझे दिले मना हाव जियेला तुझे लगी उलो उतराक तांगो उने तुम्हारा भाषे संता बावरा तुझे
मोना ओके सो नेक्स्ट ए सॉन्ग येता
हाव जियेला
ओके गाइस सो आमी आता इल्ले रेस्ट घेया 5 मिनिट्स आसा तुमकां फीडबॅक केल्यार 6-5 आमी 6 o'clock परतून रिजॉइन जाता प्रोग्राम इल्ले येवचे नवे आर्टिस्टांक इल्ले सपोर्ट करा आनी एक हांव सॉंग प्ले करता सो आमचे कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीत हांव तेलुगू इंडस्ट्रीक गेला सो तेलुगू इंडस्ट्रीक वचून बरें नांव केलां कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीक ह्या आर्टिस्टाचें नांव सांगेत की